Hey guys, Jade Alpine Companies on a concrete project here. We're doing this back patio, the sidewalk, and the front patio. There was actually two concrete pads here. After we tore out the original one, there was one underneath. And where all their supports were here, where they were on the concrete, just busted the concrete off because it was a real thin cap that they had poured. So once we got everything out, we went ahead and drilled some nice deep caissons here, put these supports back on. I've got some before and some durings, and I'll get some afters when we're all wrapped up and we get this concrete finished. You can follow all my projects on my website, www.alpinecompanies.com. Click on my YouTube link. You can watch close to 2,000 videos on my projects. Thanks for watching, Jade Alpine. I'll see you guys on the next video.